Hey there, little learners. Today, we're going to dive into the fascinating world of animal classifications. Animals are grouped into different categories based on their physical characteristics, behaviors, and evolutionary history. Let's take a look at the three main classifications of animals. 1. Mammals. These are warm-blooded, hairy animals that give birth to live young. They include animals like dogs, cats, and humans. 2. Birds. These are feathered, egg-laying animals that have wings and beaks. They include birds like ducks, eagles, and penguins. 3. Reptiles. These are cold-blooded animals that lay eggs and have scales. They include animals like snakes, turtles. Did you know that there are millions of different species of animals? That's right, millions. So, let's start with the first category, mammals. Mammals are warm-blooded animals that give birth to live young. They have fur or hair, and they feed their babies with milk from their mammary glands. Some examples of mammals are cats, dogs, cows, and humans. Next, we have birds. Birds are feathered, egg-laying animals that can fly. They have wings and beaks, and they're usually found in the sky. Examples of birds are eagles, ducks, and chickens. Now, let's talk about reptiles. Reptiles are cold-blooded animals that have scales and lay eggs. They can't fly, but they can swim and crawl. Some reptiles are snakes, lizards, and turtles. Fish are our next category. Fish are cold-blooded animals that live in water. They have fins and gills, and they breathe through their gills. Examples of fish are salmon, tuna, and goldfish. Lastly, we have insects. Insects are small, six-legged animals that have a hard outer shell called an exoskeleton. They have antennae and wings, and they can fly. Examples of insects are bees, butterflies, and ants. That's it for today's lesson, little ones. I hope you enjoyed learning about the different types of animals. Remember, there's a whole world of creatures out there, and each one is unique and special in its own way. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more fun and educational content.